Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, Reading, MCQ and Question Answer. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 7, Reading, MCQ and Question Answer. Dear students, look at the title of our today's lesson, Introduction to MS Word 2007. We all know that this lesson is very important for your annual examination and for your personal uses and personal life also. So, let's start the class. So, look here, it is lecture number 2, that means second class for our annual examination syllabus. So, look here that all the passages from before our MCQ question sessions, all the passages I have given you only the summary, not the whole passage, and you will read the text again and again. So, all of you open your page number 69 or 70, you will get this passage. So, look at the title again, Introduction to MS Word 2007. Give your attention and listen me carefully. Pressing words at first. The software packages is called a word processor because it lets you work with words. There are many word processing software because available today such as MS Word and OpenOffice Writer. Notepad is a simple word processing software. Here we will use the software package MS Word or Microsoft Word. Okay, MS short form, the full form is Microsoft Word. It is often simply called Word. Now we will go to the creating your first Word document. Look how will we create our first Word document. A Word document stores whatever you type or whatever we write. It could be a letter, an essay, a poem, a timetable or a class notice. Now the beginning word. To begin MS Word or Microsoft Word 2007, follow the steps listed below. So, look at the picture here. So, after looking at the passage, looking at the monitor, you will understand that how will we begin our word meaning, beginning our word processor like this one. So, look here at first, number 1, click on the start button. Then after clicking the start button, this will show on the monitor. You can find Microsoft Word 2007 on the list, click on it. Second, if not, click on all programs. Look here, all programs it is given here, all programs it is written. Number 3, in the list of programs, click on Microsoft Office 2007, then on Microsoft Word 2007. Microsoft Word, then after going there, we will start writing. So, look at first Office button. Look here, yes, this indication represents that it is Office button. Okay. Click the Office button to get a drop down menu containing options such as new, open, save and print. These all you will find here after going there, new, open, save and print. Next, ribbon. Look here, it is written here paste, that means card copy, format printer, clipboard. These all are related to our ribbon. So, look here, it is written here paste, card copy, format printer, then clipboard. These 5 are related to our ribbon. Ribbon is the type of buttons and icons. Okay, from your book page number 70 you will get it, page number 70. Located above the work area, tabs now. The ribbon contains 7 tabs. It will be the ribbon. It will be the ribbon. The ribbon contains 7 tabs. Each tab has a common purpose. So, look here tab, that means home tab here. So, after going here you will find it home, that means home represents the home tab. The ribbon contains 7 tabs. Each tab has a common purpose and consists of several groups of commands. Next, quick access toolbar. So, look at the picture at the end, here we see that there is the quick access toolbar. After reading this we will understand properly. It is located at the top left of the screen, top left here. It is quick access toolbar. It has some common commands such as save, undo and redo. That means after going there we will get the common commands, for example save, undo and redo. You can customize the quick access toolbar on the right side and bottom are the 2 scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. to scroll bar here. At the bottom of the word Windows, there is a status bar. Look here, status bar. Whatever you will write here, then it will show as an status. For example, page 1, Windows, that means English like this one. These all are related to our status bar. Now we will go to making corrections. Then after writing, then whenever we will have correction, we need to correct something, then we will go to the making correction. You can move the cursor in the typed document by using the direction keys. The cursor moves up, down, left or right. That means 4 buttons are here. 4 command. It is up, down, left or right depending on the keys you press. Next is saving your written matter. Then whatever you will write, you need to save this to get this permanently. Look here. At present, the sentences that you have typed are in the temporary memory of the computer. If you switch off the computer, these sentences can be lost forever. So, you must store the work on the hard disk of the computer. This process is called saving the work. That means, yes, we have to save the work to get this permanently to our or on our hard disk of the computer. Look at the saving option. After writing the things, we need to go to the save option. Okay, look at the picture, save option here. Then retrieving your work. I mean, how will you get this again? The file saved by you can be retrieved or regained at any time you want. This is called retrieving. Printing the document. Number 1, print on the printer and make sure that it has paper in it. Number 2, click the office button, go to the print and click on print. Number 3, the print dialog box appears on the screen. Make sure that the printer is on and click on the OK button. This printed documents is called a hard copy. Yes, we know that the printed documents are called hard copy. The document saved in your computer or on the hard disk is called a soft copy. Okay, we have got the answer about hard copy and soft copy. Now we will go to the MCQ. So look here, I have given only 3 MCQ here. Which of this is not a word processing software? Look at the option. OpenOffice Writer, yes, Word also, Notepad also, but look at the last option, Paint. Paste is not a word processing software. I am telling you again, which of this is not a word processing software? Option number A, OpenOffice Writer, Word, Notepad. These 3 are word processing software, only Paint is not a word processing software. So this is not word processing software. This is the correct answer. Number 2, in most computers, MS Word or Microsoft Word is located in which of the following folders? Look at the option, Windows, Accessories, MS Office, MS Program. These 2, no, directly not answer, but MS Office, MS Program. Yes, we know that MS Office is the correct answer. Here we will locate the following folders. In most computers, MS Word is located in MS Office. Number 3, a document in MS Word can be option, a letter, an essay, a poem, any of this. Yes, from our text we have come to know that any of these will be the correct answer. It might be a letter, an essay, a poem. Dear students, look here, I have given here only 3 MCQ, but whenever you will get your final suggestions, you will see there 10 MCQs. So I am telling you all that you will learn and memorize all 10 MCQs, not only these 3. Here only 3 I have given. That means whenever you will get your annual examination suggestions, you will see there 10 MCQs. You will learn and memorize all. Now we will go to the question answer. What is the definition of hard and soft copy? So look at the answer. After finishing your writing, you have to save your document. A printed document is called hard copy. We have already known this answer. And the document that is saved on the hard disk of a computer is called a soft copy. Very common answer because we have known from this chapter, from this passage. Question number 2, write the definition of ribbon and cursor. From the picture we have come to know that about the ribbon and cursor here. That answer is look like this. Ribbon is the stripes of buttons and icons located above the work area on MS Word screen, and inside the Word window a blinking vertical bar called the cursor shows where typing letters will appear on MS Word screen. Yes, we have got the answer of ribbon, and in the buttons we have seen like this one, that vertical bar called the cursor shows where typing letters will appear on the MS screen. MS Word. Last question answer. What is quick access toolbar? Yes. So look at the answer. It is located at the top left of the screen. From the picture we have come to know it is the quick access toolbar. So it is located at the top left of the screen. It has some common commands such as save, undo and redo. You can customize the quick access toolbar and put in other commands that you commonly use. Dear students, these are our MCQs and reading and question answer. So I am telling you again, only 3 MCQs I have given here, but in your suggestions you will see there are 10 MCQs. You will learn and memorize all. Now I hope that you have understood the reading. Keep practicing again and again, read the text again and again also, and keep practicing MCQ and question answer and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.